How to recover deleted Safari tabs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone for your individual needs. Inside Accessibility, find and tap on Touch. This menu contains settings related to how you physically interact with the screen. Here, scroll down to find the Shake to Undo option. Ensure the toggle switch next to it is turned on. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Safari application. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots icon. Then, select All Tabs. Now, press and hold any tab and select Close Other Tabs from the menu. After the tabs are closed, physically shake your iPhone. An Undo Close Tabs alert will appear on your screen. Here, tap on Undo. As you can see, all the deleted tabs have reappeared. Following these steps, you can easily recover deleted Safari tabs on an iPhone.